Well, good afternoon. The market's just closed. It is the 26th of June. This is our afternoon update. Looking at the markets, we had the cotton market struggle throughout the day, was down most of the day, but managed to close up today in December. We'll look at that in just a minute. Kind of a mixed bag in grains. We had soybeans and corn up. We had wheat down. Crude oil up, dollar up, precious metals down, and stocks up. Let's look at December cotton. Up 17 at 67.19. That might not seem like a lot, but it got down to 66.15 at one point this morning. A lot of confusion in the markets right now because the rain were perceived as being a negative in terms of price action for cotton as it improves some dryland cotton. But on the other hand, the market has been selling off for the last 2 weeks off of no news, just liquidation from speculators who had rolled into December to be long from July, and then as the market dropped, we saw liquidation to come out of those positions without any regard for news. So we've overdone it to the downside. Now we've got some negative news, but it appears the market is starting to find out that maybe that's enough to the downside, and we could now see somewhat of a bounce. Really hard to tell on this market right now. The July soybeans up 2 at 906 and a half, a high of 912 and a quarter, a low of 903 and 3/4. July corn up a penny and a half at 359 and a half, a high of 361 and 3/4, a low of 357 and a quarter. July wheat down 10, big move down, 449 and 3/4, a high of 460 and 3/4, and a low of 449 and a quarter. The dollar right now up 36. That's crude oil up 36. The dollar up 8. Gold down 10. Silver down 8. And the Dow Jones right now is up 41. We'll keep an eye on this in the cotton market. It could be that we could bounce some from these low levels, but this market is going to be met with selling at higher levels. It might be that it just needs to rally a couple of hundred points. Hard to tell. We'll talk to you tomorrow.